Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools so nothing blocks you. Create your GitHub account and enable two-factor authentication for security. Next, install Git and generate an SSH key pair, then add the public key to GitHub so pushes authenticate without passwords. Once done, copy the repository's SSH clone string, run git clone, and cd into that project folder. This gives you a local copy to work on immediately and ensures future git push and pull commands use your authenticated identity. You now follow a disciplined workflow to avoid conflicts and get credit. Create a branch for each task, or use main if the assignment requires it. Branches isolate work. Edit files with your editor, then stage precise files using git add and write a concise commit message explaining the change. Before pushing, pull changes from origin with git pull rebase to integrate upstream edits. After resolving any conflicts, push your branch to GitHub. This sequence keeps history clean and prevents lost work. You're almost done. Create a pull request or follow Cs50 submission step to mark the assignment as complete. Make sure tests pass locally, and then verify GitHub Actions or CI shows a green build. Once merged or submitted, confirm your repository reflects the final state. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Run git status to see unstaged files, git pull to retrieve upstream changes, fix merge conflicts in your editor. Git add the resolved files, commit, and git push again. That troubleshooting path fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.